Hey everyone, it's Laura with another ClickFix tutorial, and in today's video I want to show you how you can use the show after shortcode, which can be very useful to do an action like displaying an element, a column, a block, or a field after a certain period of time. So in this example, I'm going to be working with a checkout page. This is a page from the ClickFix library if you want to check it out. And what I want to do is to hide this coupon, but to display it after a certain period of time. So I'm going to show you exactly how I did it.
So before you use any of our shortcodes, you need to make sure that you have everything set up so everything works smoothly. So I'm here in the ClickFix website, app.clickfix.io. And once you log in into your account, you are going to go to Start Here. So the first step is to go to the Start Here page. And the first thing to do is to add your domain. So if you click here, you will be able to add your domain. Remember that if you have a free ClickFix account, you can only add one domain. So once you have that set up, you can go back to the Start Here page. And the next step is to install the Chrome plugin. So if you click here, it will take you to the Chrome store where you can download the plugin and it will be added to your Chrome browser. So the next step is to copy the script that you have to add to the header code in all of your Ontraport pages where you want to use one of our shortcodes. So this goes above any of the shortcodes that you use. So you just come to your Ontraport page and you click on custom code, and it's gonna take you to the header code where you paste your script, and then you can start working on your shortcodes. And those are the 3 steps that you need to follow in order to use our shortcodes. Also in this page you can find the documentation page where you can find all of our shortcodes and the written instructions for all of them. So here are all the shortcodes, and you can scroll down to the shortcode that you want to check out. And also if you have any other questions or you need more help, you can click on the support button and you will get a ticket to solve any of your doubts. And with that being said, we can move on to the tutorial.
So the first thing that you want to do is to publish your page, and then you're going to go to the custom code. This is the code that I'm using. So the first thing is that I am hiding the column 51 in the block with this ID. So the column 51 is the column with the coupon. If you want to figure out how to know the block ID or the column ID, you can download the ClickFix Chrome extension and it will show you the IDs. So here you can see that this is the column 51. And at the same time, I can check for the block ID, which is this one. So it's going to hide the column, and then after 8 seconds, it's going to display that same column. So it's the same as here, but instead of hide column is show column, and then I'm closing the show after code. So this is what the publish page looks like. So I'm going to show you how the column will not appear when I first get to the page. And then after 8 seconds, it should appear back again. And there you go. That is just one example of how you can use this shortcode, but there are many other applications. So if you want to redirect someone to a certain block in a page, you can hide the block and then use the redirect shortcode to take the user to that block after, let's say, a minute. And that is it for this video, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.